This demonstration will feature Photoshop's new one-click delete and fill tool. First, you'll need to select the Object Selection tool nested under the magic wand. Then make sure the Object Finder box is checked in the Options bar, and select the Lasso tool under Mode. Also, make sure that under the Select Subject option, Cloud Detailed Results is selected. Here is a photo of two skiers casually skiing across the snow that I want to use for a blog post. The first skier has a nice clean appearance, and her face is exposed, so I would like to keep her. I would like to remove the second skier because her face is obscured, and I'd like to have the photo with just the first skier. When I hover over any object, Photoshop will isolate that object with the pink selections. You can see that if I start with her beanie and move my mouse down, the skier's body is added to the selection. The poles and skis are rather narrow, but large enough to be selected as well. Once I have the entire skier selected, I can click on her and the Marching Ants selection will appear. Now I can right-click on a PC or control-click on a Mac, and the contextual menu will appear. I'll select Delete and Fill, or you can use Shift-Delete for keyboard commands. What Photoshop does is sample the pixels surrounding the skier to determine how to fill the selection. Now you can easily remove unwanted objects from your photographs using the one-click Delete and Fill tool. I hope you give it a try.